Welcome back to WP Design Lab, your go-to channel for smart, easy WordPress tutorials that help you build stunning websites without code. Today, I'm showing you how to add a smooth, cinematic image trail effect to your WordPress site, using nothing but a simple shortcode. Watch this. As you move your cursor, the image follows with a fluid, animated trail, like it's gliding through the screen. This effect is powered by GSAP, one of the most powerful animation libraries on the web. And now, thanks to our custom plugin, you can use it on any WordPress site, even if you're using Elementor, Gutenberg, or any page builder. You can download it for free from my GitHub, link in the description below. It's 100% free to use and super easy to set up. Once you've downloaded the plugin from GitHub, log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins, Add New, and click on Upload Plugin. Choose the zip file you downloaded, then click Install Now. Once it's installed, just hit Activate. That's all there is to it. From the plugin settings page, you'll find a ready-to-use shortcode example with all the details you need to get started. In image URL, just copy the URL of your uploaded image from the WordPress media library and paste it right here, replacing the current link. Now let's add the effect to a page. I'll open Elementor, edit any page, and drop in a shortcode widget. Then I'll paste the shortcode. And there it is. As I move my mouse, the image follows with a sleek animated trail. Smooth, modern, and professional. Let's try this on other pages using different images, just to see how flexible it is. All you need to do is copy the shortcode, paste it wherever you want, and update the image URL. Same effect. New image. Instantly. You can also disable the circular image effect by editing the CSS in the style sheet. If you prefer a regular square image instead of a circular one, just remove or comment out the border radius property in the trail class, and your image will appear without the circle. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please like this video, subscribe to WP Design Lab for more WordPress tips and creative effects, and don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss an update. Have questions? Need help setting up the plugin or customizing the effect? Drop a comment below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Build smarter, design better. This is WP Design Lab.